I don't know how people do this. Here, let go. Let me look at your tooth and see if it even moves it. Where is the string? Move your hand. Open.
I'm making a sound. Please stop.
It sounds like music. Listen.
I know.
I don't know. I don't think this trick really works.
Mommy, have us slam the door and it'll come out.
Open, go like this.
No way.
Let me see. Move your finger though. I'm trying to see it.
Okay. Yeah. So.
Sorry. Here.
Mommy. Ow, ow, that hurt.
I was trying to pull the thing off. Here, let me see.